Hi and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about how you can turn your annual income into your monthly income. Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We upload videos every week covering topics like how to make money online and growing a business from scratch. Let's get into today's video. How happy would you be if there was a way you can turn your yearly income into your monthly income? In this video we are going to be sharing with you 5 things you can do to turn your yearly income into your monthly income. Number 1. Increase your financial IQ. There is a big misconception among a lot of people when it comes to money. Many people believe that for you to have financial freedom, you have to work harder. Or, for you to have more money, you have to be lucky or you have to be born into a wealthy family. Some people even believe that money is evil. Don't be deceived. Creating wealth requires that you understand the language of money. You must increase your financial IQ to increase your wealth. So, what exactly is financial IQ? Financial IQ is the ability to obtain and manage wealth by understanding how money works. Everybody works for money, but not many people know how money works. For you to be financially successful, you must not just work for money, you must know how to get the money to work for you. When you see 2 people of the same age and similar backgrounds, both working for the same 40 hours per week, one is broke while the other is worth $1 million, what do you think makes a difference? It's the financial education, the financial IQ. So how can you increase your financial IQ? Very simple. Get yourself dedicated to learning about money from people who have created wealth before. You don't have any excuse because we live in an age where quality information about wealth creation is everywhere. In the description of this video, there is a link to an ebook. It's called The Insider's Guide. Go check it out. The more knowledgeable you are about money, the more wealth you'll be able to create, and pretty soon, you might just be earning in a month what you used to earn in a year. Number 2. Believe you deserve more money. You might not realize it, but self-belief and money are intertwined. When you struggle with one, you invariably struggle with the other. People with low self-esteem usually find it hard to create wealth. For example, if you don't believe in yourself, you'll think that you don't actually deserve money. You might think you're not good enough at your job and that you aren't worthy of any more money. You might even feel guilty for asking people to pay more for your services, because your self-esteem is incredibly low. On the other hand, if you have a very high self-worth, you will naturally feel that $50,000 yearly income isn't for you, and you will have problems setting goals to earn $50,000 per month, because you believe that you deserve even more. If anyone believes that he deserves $30,000 a month, and he's earning only $3,000 now, that person will be restless until he or she figures out how to earn $30,000 a month. What you tell yourself is what you are. If you want to increase your income, simply change your internal conversation. Simply increase your self-worth. Number 3. Consider multiplying yourself. According to a study, there are about 28 million businesses in the United States, of which 22 million don't have any employees. That's crazy, right? But there are so many people doing things by themselves. Whether they're entrepreneurs or professional individuals, these people believe in their own capacity to do whatever they're doing all by themselves. The problem with this, you can't get rich by working with your 2 hands. If you are the only one working to create whatever your income is, there is no way you can increase your income in multiple forms. To multiply your income, you must understand leverage, which is the ability to use the hands, brains, time and money of other people, in the process of creating wealth for yourself. Now, if you really want to double or triple your income, you have to sit down to think about how you can multiply yourself. We understand this is not so easy for anybody who is an employee. What if you are a small business owner or you're thinking of starting your own business from scratch? Then you have to really focus most of your energy not on what you can do, but what you can get other people to do for you. If you can figure out how to multiply yourself by leveraging other people's time, brains and energy, then you'll make more money monthly than you are making yearly now. Number 4. Get a better understanding of the internet. This is probably the most important point of this video. You see, the internet is massive and powerful. It is probably the biggest thing that has ever happened to the human race, and you can use it to change your financial status. Just a few years ago, people and businesses were restricted by location and boundaries, and only the big companies could sell their products to the entire world. Now, Anyone with an internet connection can sell products or services to anyone, anywhere in the world. If you don't see this as an opportunity to create massive wealth for yourself, then you have to ask yourself why you are not taking advantage of the opportunities out there. If you want to make in a month what you're currently making in a year, the internet can help you. If you'll take your time to understand how the internet works and how you can build businesses using the power of the internet, regardless of who you are, whether you're an employee or a small business owner, you can use the internet to promote your existing business, or create a new business, sell to the whole world and make a lot of money. We are not talking about get rich quick here, as it's not easy to build a business, but experience shows that it's 10 times easier with the internet and you can start even while you have your day job. How can you get started? Use the internet to learn about the internet. Search Google and YouTube. Take some courses if you can, or grab that ebook in the description below. Just be curious and you'll be surprised at how fast you can achieve your financial goals. Number 5. Be willing to give more value. Money doesn't come to people who work hardest. Money goes to people who give more value to other people, and when we talk about value, you should understand that value isn't measured by quantity of things you do. Value is measured by the importance of things you offer to the world around you, and how many people you are able to help with what you do. Zig Ziglar once said that if you can help enough people to get what they want, you can get everything you want in life. Be on the lookout for a significant human problem you can solve, provide more value to the marketplace than anyone can. Learn how to leverage other people's time and energy. Study to understand how the internet works and how you can use the World Wide Web to promote your business, then you can earn more money every month than you are earning now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and share. Also, check out the ebook in the description below to get you on a path to building an online business from scratch.